Here are some possible questions for the board exam. In how many ways can 6 persons be seated in a row? A. 700, B. 710, C. 720, D. 750. The answer is letter C, 720. In an English test, 8 students obtained the following scores: 10, 15, 12, 18, 16, 24, 12, 14. What is the median score? A. 14, B. 14.5, C. 15.5, D. 15. The answer is letter B, 14.5. Find the least common multiple of 5, 2, and 7. A. 35, B. 140, C. 15, D. 70. The answer is letter D, 70. Which of the following gives the numerical value of the population? A. Range, B. Statistics, C. Parameter, D. Variable. The answer is letter C, parameter. It refers to the number of times the base is multiplied by itself. A. Coefficient, B. Exponent, C. Variable, D. Constant. The answer is letter B, exponent. What is the formula for arithmetic sequence? A. an equals a1 plus parenthesis n plus 1 times d. B. an equals a1 minus parenthesis n plus 1 times d. C. an equals a1 minus parenthesis n minus 1 times d. D. an equals a1 plus parenthesis n minus 1 times d. The answer is letter D. an equals a1 plus parenthesis n minus 1 times d. The blank of two sets consists of all elements that are common in both sets. A. Union, B. Intersection, C. Complement, D. Difference. The answer is letter B, intersection. It pertains to the sum of all sides of a polygon. A. Area, B. Perimeter, C. Circumference, D. Volume. The answer is letter B, perimeter. These are the numbers that has no factor other than on and itself. A. Even numbers, B. Composite numbers, C. Odd numbers, D. Prime numbers. The answer is letter D, prime numbers. It measures how spread the data is around the mean. A. Standard deviation, B. Variance, C. Quartiles, D. Range. The answer is letter B, variance. Which of the following shows mechanical weathering of rocks? A. Acid-dissolved rocks, B. Formation of caverns, C. Iron in rocks combined with oxygen, D. Freezing water between rocks particles. The answer is letter D, freezing water between rocks particles. Fog is a cloud with its base at or very near the ground. The formation of fog generally occurs after the ground has lost heat by A. Radiation, B. Convection, C. Conduction, D. Evaporation. The answer is letter A, radiation. Why do we see the sun rise in the east? A. The earth revolves eastward, B. The earth rotates from west to east, C. We are located in the 20th meridian, D. On the globe, we are located on the east. The answer is letter B. The earth rotates from west to east. If a voltage of 100 volts produces a current of 5 amperes in an electrical device, what is the resistance? A. 20 ohms, B. 95 ohms, C. 105 ohms, D. 500 ohms. The answer is letter A, 20 ohms. Which has a greater density, a lake full of water or a cup full of water? A. The cup full of water, B. The lake full of water, C. Not enough information, D. They have the same density. The answer is letter D. They have the same density. What kind of mirror is used in cars to give the driver a wider area and smaller image of the traffic behind him or her? A. Double concave, B. Concave, C. Convex, D. Plane. The answer is letter C, convex. Why do we hear thunder some seconds after seeing lightning? A. Sound travels 1.331 minutes per second, B. Light travels faster than sounds. Letter C. Sound is released later actually. D. Light appears brighter in the sky. The answer is letter B. Light travels faster than the sounds. Water has a higher specific heat than iron. What does this mean? A. Water heats more rapid than iron. B. Water heats slower than iron. C. Water is denser than iron. D. Water is hotter than iron. The answer is letter B. Water heats slower than iron. If a colorblind man marries a woman who has normal vision and no history of disease, it is most probable that all of their A. Son will be Caries, B. Sons will be colorblind, C. Daughters will be Caries, D. Daughter will be colorblind. The answer is letter C. Daughters will be Caries. What part of the atmosphere protects Earth's surface from harmful ultraviolet radiation? A. Mesosphere, B. Troposphere, C. Radiosphere, D. Stratosphere. The answer is letter D. Stratosphere. The use of Spanish surnames by Filipinos was ordered by Governor General A. Basilio Agustin, B. Ramon Blanco, C. Jose Agustin, D. Narcisco Claverio. The answer is letter D. Narcisco Claverio. Which Spanish policy provided the resettlement of Filipino communities to form town centers of or cabeceras? A. Bandala, B. Encomienda system, C. Assimilation, D. Reduction. The answer is letter D. Reduction. What was the term given by Marcelo H. del Pilar to hidden control and domination by Spanish religious priests over the colonial government? A. Pez region, B. La suerte partidas, C. Complace, D. Philocracia. The answer is letter D. Philocracia. Which best describes the division of legislature into the Senate and the House of Representatives? The A. Bicameralism, B. Bipartisanship, C. Unicameralism, D. Co-legislative powers. The answer is letter A. Bicameralism. If the social system is based on meritocracy, which is a possible effect? A. Rule by the wealthy and powerful, B. Leadership by the people of talent, C. Culture of elitism, B. Rule by those of noble birth. The answer is letter B. Leadership by the people of talent. The right in the writ of habeas data is blank. A. The right to information privacy, B. Right to gather information data, C. The right to search information, D. Right to transmit data. The answer is letter A. The right to information privacy. Who was the Spanish mestizo priest who first led the native secular clergy in the secularization movement in 1861? A. Father Jacinto Zamora, B. Father Gregorio Aglipay, C. Father Pedro Pilais, D. Father Jose Burgos. The answer is letter C. Father Pedro Pilais. Who is the president who moved the Independence Day from July 4 to June 12? A. Diosdado Macapagal, B. Carlos Garcia, C. Manuel Rojas, D. Manuel Quezon. The answer is letter A. Diosdado Macapagal. He established the tobacco monopoly during the Spanish era. A. Jose Basco, B. Rafael Izquierdo, C. Basilio Agustin, D. Francisco Rizzo. The answer is letter A. Jose Basco. Who is known as the father of the local government code? A. Aquilino Pimentel, B. Joseph Estrada, C. Jovito Salonga, D. Joey Lina. The answer is letter A. Aquilino Pimentel. According to Erik Erikson, the psychological stages of human development start from blank to blank. A. Birth to death, B. Infancy to adulthood, C. Early childhood to adolescence, D. Minority to seniority. The answer is letter A. Birth to death. The letters attached after the name of a person who passed The licensure examination for teacher are blank. A. RT, B. Teacher, C. LPT, D. PT. The answer is letter C. LPT. The highest level in professional teacher's career under the PPST is blank. A. Most proficient, B. Highly proficient, D. Distinguished, D. Model. The answer is letter C. Distinguished. Among the following courses, which does not qualify to take licensure exam immediately? A. Bachelor of Secondary Education, B. Bachelor of Special Needs Education, C. Bachelor of Elementary Education, D. Bachelor of Arts. The answer is letter D. Bachelor of Arts. What is the fundamental element of every school? A. Curriculum, B. Instruction, C. Research, D. Syllabus. The answer is letter A. Curriculum. Which is the highest in Maslow's hierarchy of needs? A. Socialization, B. Self-esteem, C. Health and safety, D. Self-actualization. The answer is letter D. Self-actualization. When I grow up, I cannot imagine doing anything else but to be an elementary teacher, says Anna, a 6-year-old child. A. Vocation, B. Mission, C. Profession, D. Occupation. The answer is letter A. Vocation. Man by nature is good. According to Confucius, Rosua, and Mencius, this characteristic of man makes him easier to be blank. A. Motivated, B. Taught, C. Rewarded, D. Respected. The answer is letter B. Taught. In a multicultural education, much emphasis is given on A. Achievement, B. Environment, C. Curriculum, D. Perspective. The answer is letter D. Perspective. Which among the following is the first essential characteristic of culture? A. Ideational, B. Learned, C. Diverse, D. Cumulative. The answer is letter D. Cumulative. Every June, Manila has its Festival of Outstanding Filipino Films. This was a project initiated by blank. A. Arsenio Lacson, B. Antonio Villegas, C. German Moreno, D. Ramon Bagatsing. The answer is letter B. Antonio Villegas. When I met Liza yesterday, it was the first time I blanked her since Christmas. A. Saw, B. Had seen, C. Have seen, D. Have been seen. The answer is letter D. Have been seen. The copy reader found the news story boring. He found it full of blank. A. Verbs, B. Adverbs, C. Pronouns, D. Adjective. The answer is C. Pronouns. Senators were accused by activists of washing their hands with the perfumes of Arabia. This state is commonly known as A. Aggression, B. Indecision, C. Triumph, D. Guilt. The answer is letter D. Guilt. Which among the sounds below is voiceless? A. B, B. Z, C. G, D. P. The answer is letter D. P. An association wherein the name of something is substituted by something that represents it. A. Metonymy, B. Comparison, C. Euphemism, D. Personification. The answer is letter A. Metonymy. Because the moon rotates on its axis at the same time as it blank around the earth, we see the same side. A. Revolve, B. Revolves, C. Is revolving, D. Has been revolving. The answer is letter B. Revolves. In English verse, a poetic foot having one stressed syllable followed by one unstressed syllable is blank. A. Trochaic, B. Iambic, C. Dactylic, D. Anaphistic. The answer is letter A. Trochaic. The parent remarked blank. I come late, just lock the door. In the absence, B. In the process, C. In the event, D. In the case. The answer is letter C. In the event. Only the heart can see rightly. This statement is lifted from what particular novel? A. The Prince and the Pauper, B. The Little Prince, C. The Right One, D. The Pearl. The answer is letter B. The Little Prince.